Hello gorgeous! Today I'm doing another tips and tricks / life hacks type of video. This time it's going to be all around how to get rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks are indented streaks that often appear on the stomach, your breasts, hips, butt, and thighs, and they are a natural thing. Everyone deals with stretch marks, so I'm going to share with you all my tips, tricks, and life hacks on how to fade your stretch marks fast and naturally. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and I will also link my DIY / life hacks playlist down below, as well as anything I do mention in this video will be in the description box. And on that note, let's just jump right into the video. First, I'm going to share with you a natural scrub that will really help fade stretch marks. All you're going to need for this is 1 cup of sugar and then a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can also use almond oil or olive oil. You just need a softening agent, but I personally love to use coconut oil. So I just went ahead and took my bowl, and you're just going to mix the 1 cup of sugar with the 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and you're also going to need some lemon juice as well. So I just squeezed in a couple lemon wedges and then mixed it all together. And once you have your scrub, you're just going to apply it on the part of your body where there are stretch marks. You're going to rub the mixture on for 8 to 10 minutes and repeat it several times a week while you are in the shower. People love using sugar as a naturopathic microdermabrasion method. It really helps to make stretch marks fade, and rubbing this sugar scrub on your skin will really help exfoliate the area. So you can use it on any of your stretch marked area, whether it's your thighs, your hips, your butt, your stomach, whatever the case may be. This is perfect to use when you are in your shower routine. And I also put any of the excess that I had left over in a little jar so that you can use it for the next time you jump in the shower. Once you do rub in your mixture for up to 10 minutes, then you're just going to go ahead and rinse it off of your body completely. And then we're going to move on to another tip that is great for removing stretch marks. Another amazing method to help with stretch marks and fading them is doing microneedling. So I just use the Banish microneedle. This is known as the Banisher tool. I will link it down below for you guys, and I do have a discount for Banish, so I will also link that down below for you guys to get some money off of your order. And as you can tell, the microneedle just has these 24 karat little tiny needles. This does not hurt at all, but within this procedure, the tiny needles are poked into your skin to trigger collagen production, and an increased collagen and elastin promotes skin regeneration that can improve your skin's appearance and in time reduce your stretch marks. So I just applied it anywhere on my stretch marks. I tend to really get it on my inner thighs and on the back of my thighs. That's the place I find I have stretch marks the most. But once you put your microneedle, you just have to twist it at a 90-degree angle. And of course, don't go on any open wounds or anything like that. And this is just really going to help with the appearance over time and really reduce the appearance of your stretch marks. Microneedling is also just really great for any sort of marks that you have in your skin. So if you have any other type of scarring, it's really great for that as well. I just like to do the microneedling once a week, and you want to make sure that your skin is completely clean before doing it. And as well as once you are done using the tool, you want to sanitize it. So I will usually just fill up the cap that comes with the Banisher with alcohol and let it sit there for a few minutes so that no dirt and bacteria grow on the microneedle. And my last tip when it comes to stretch marks is to use some organic virgin coconut oil. And something else I like to put into my coconut oil before I rub it on my skin is to add some tea tree oil into it as well. Just put it into a little bowl, mix it all together, and this is going to be your moisturizing agent. Coconut oils, fatty acids, easily absorb into your skin. It's also an anti-inflammatory and encourages collagen production, which will speed up stretch mark recovery, while the tea tree oil really helps to remove any type of skin scarring, including stretch marks, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Also, regular use of the tea tree oil really prevents the occurrence of stubborn marks. So all I did with the coconut oils is I just apply it onto my stretch marks each day. You can apply it at night and just let it sit there overnight, It's really going to help with the red appearance, and it's also going to be a great preventative measure. So you don't only just have to put this onto your stretch marks, you can go ahead and apply it all over your body or places that are prone to stretch marks, so that you're kind of taking a preventative measure. So I like to apply this all on my thighs, on my legs, on my stomach, and this is just going to be super moisturizing for your skin, and it's a really great thing to do on the daily to help fade your stretch marks, or just, like I said, prevent further stretch marks from occurring. But those are all my tips and tricks when it comes to how to fade your stretch marks naturally and fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below, as well as my playlist. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to join the YouTube family. I would love for you guys to be a part of it, but I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!